So once you created a canvas, you are going to go to text here on the left side and you're going to have a heading. Then you're going to change the font. You're going to change the font to Algrea. And I'm going to put a capital letter D. And I'm going to make it bigger. Now, what you need to do is you need to make a copy of this letter. So you're going to right click and select copy. Then you're going to paste it here. Then you change this letter to something like a C. Now, what you need to do is you need to put the letters together. Now you need to take this letter to the back. So you're going to select it, then right click, then go to layer and send to back. And now you're going to download this image. Then what you need to do is you need to take the letter back to the front. So you're going to right click, then go to layer, then bring to front. Then once you're done, you're going to take the letter back again. So you're going to right click, then layer, then send to back. And you're going to go to uploads, or you can just drag in the image that we just downloaded into the canvas. So here is the image. Then what you need to do is you need to increase the size of the image and make sure that it aligns with these two letters. Then once you're done, as you can see that the image is selected, you're going to right click on the image and then go to layer and then bring to front. And as you can see there, we have created an interlocking logo.